Hello, everyone. As we promised in our last video about the data performance optimizer, we didn't discuss the reports pack that we have here. So the idea here is we have done so many reports, performance projects. We have done so much optimization regarding the reports that we decided to put it together in our tooling to make it a little bit more comprehensive. Basically, we draw of everything that our company has learned in the years, and we have it here. The idea here is that if we are able to have the code, will be, can you click edit project here, Pedro? So we are able to have access to the code, even with a zip file or even with a root URL, and then a connection string to a database. We are going to run our analysis both on the database side or the code side to see what's going on with the report and how can we improve it. So that will mean that we can analyze it, we can benchmark it, and that we can give you a complete action plan on how to improve your reporting solution. So right here, Jose Pedro, if you want to jump in and we'll go from there of everything that we have.
Pedro, you start and then I'll join you.
Okay, perfect. So when we define a project like this, the next step is to analyze the project. So we can make a full analysis, or we just can make a benchmark. What the difference? The full analysis run everything, reports, the database, everything. But sometimes if you have a suggestion from the plan that you need to add an index. So if you add the index and you want to see the impact of the index, if it was good or no, you just run the benchmark, and the benchmark is gonna take only the database side and make this analysis again and update the whole analysis with this new input.
Yeah, and the good thing is because we have both, and the good thing because we have both the database and the code is that we can detect what is your data source, what is the store procedure that you're using, how we can execute it from you. Even if we have the parameters, 100% we run it with the parameters. If we don't have the parameters, we remove the where and we run it completely. So we get your worst case scenario. You can detect how many reports do you have, and if you tell us what are the more problematic reports, we can focus on that one, on those one first. We can review the whole solution. And then you see on the navigation that we will have an inventory, the report health, you have the layout analyzer, and right here you can see how many reports you have, how many use script, how many use sub-reports, if you have duplicates, what is the store procedure that they're using, what is the severity, and again, we can go really deep in what you have going on in the solution.
Perfect. So the inventory tell you what happened with this analysis. So you can navigate into the project. You can see all the projects if you want, but you can select one by one. Here you can see what impact have the findings. So it's different from projects, you see, and you can see exactly what is happening. Report helps is all the rooms you have done. So if you are running, you can run anytime you make a change, so you can see if your score is better. If you see here, the score was 84 and now it's 86 because we make some change. And the score is very nice because also you can see what is getting better or getting worse, and you can see the analysis in a HTML file. So this file you can take from your own, run in other places. It's a report interactive, but you can go and open in another computer. You don't need the application, so you can see what data get this information here, the charts, everything that was fine here. all the reports and that and the store procedure database, everything that was analyzed here, and at last here you can see all the index that were room in this were used in that room, and here you have the findings, and you say, no, I just need to see the critical, or I just want to see the sequel, or all, or high, or medium. So you it's a report, but it's interactive. So you can share with the team, so you can create a report and share to somebody else, and these people can open in your computer, because it's just a HTML file, and it's no need any component to see the information in another computer. I don't know, Jose, if you want to say something here, or if you want me to do.
No, so far so good, Pedro. Continue, and then I will give you my thoughts in the end.
Yeah,
Okay,
the good thing
perfect.
is that you can see that we are going over the stored procedure complexity. We're going over your
Yes.
Your actual code, your actual data source, your serialization, if you are using so we're going to every little pattern, your layout. You have a reps analyzer as well, if you want to go over that, that tells you if you have different versions of DevExpress, if something is drifting through each other, you can have this layout. So I think that this is a really nice tool that go over everything that we have seen.
To be honest, Javier, is like, for so many years we have been doing some type of housekeeping with the reports.
Yes.
that we have like all split, like we have a script, we have a .NET tool, we have a console tool, and to see it everything like in just a single tool makes your life like really easier, because I think that, okay, usually when customers come to us, it's like, okay, I have a memory leak or something like that, or I feel like it's slow, but this housekeeping, you always have to do it anyway. So to be honest, I will advise everyone, okay, even if you're running fine, go and check this, because maybe your reports, you've been dragging them for 20 versions, and then you have a lot of other old references and serialization. So I don't think that you have to go to the doctor once you're dying. You need to go first, right? You need to go
Good.
at the moment.
Very good.
Yeah, you need to, okay, it's like everything is kind of fine, so let's try to keep it like that. Let's do a checkup, because you always will find things. It's like, this is housekeeping. I mean, there is no system that doesn't require some type of housekeeping. So,
Yes. Good.
Well, everyone,
sorry, Pedro, I cut
just
you off, but continue.
no, I think that Roger, this is just a quick glance of what the tool does. Definitely, we are really excited about it. It's, as you say, the end result of a lot of console apps, staff app, internal tooling. And now we have a really user-friendly way to put everything together, to check the product, to get notifications. So, as always, we welcome your feedback. Happy to discuss at any time, and see you next week.